In this video, we will look at how WhipAround ensures that you know what services are upcoming on your assets, giving you time to plan ahead and communicate with your team. On the dashboard, you can quickly review previous services due this week, and future service schedules, ensuring you can seamlessly manage the uptime of your fleet. Adding service programs and creating service schedules is really simple, just like everything in WhipAround. You will find the service program section under the maintenance module, where you can create any service program, add specific assets to that program, and set reminders to go out to your team for the specific program. You can navigate to the service schedule section to see all of your upcoming, due, and completed services. Just like defects and work orders, you can search and sort your services here. You can also create a work order directly from an upcoming service or due service task. When creating a work order from scratch or from a defect, you can easily add any service tasks that are upcoming for that asset. If you're going to take an asset off the road, you might as well make the most of it, right? We make it easy to see what is upcoming, and with one simple click, it can be added to the work order. In the next video, we look at how easy it is to manage inventory within the platform. And if you're ready to take more control of your fleet operations with real-time information, go to whiparound.com, where you can schedule a time to speak with one of our representatives, or you can try it for free.